Hello everyone, my name is An. I'm 5 years old. I am living in Ho Chi Minh City. Today's topic is about baby animals. I see baby chicken, and I see baby dog, and baby chicken have a wing, and I see baby dog have a leg, and baby chicken, and I see so cute, and I see cute dog, and cute chicken, and cute pig, and cute dog, and cute cat. I see baby pig. I see baby cat. I see baby dog. It's like, and I see a cat play a ball, and I see rabbit to one eat a carrot, and I see turtle eat a, and I see Roro eat a nut, and I see a pig happy, cat is happy, dog is happy, chicken is happy, dog is happy. I see rabbit is happy, and I see turtle is happy. I see all happy, and I see girl happy, and I see cat. It has two black eyes, and second two black, and I have cat. I have dog. I don't have chicken. I don't have pig. I don't have rabbit. I don't have chicken. I have bear. I have oh. I have. I don't have oral. And chicken and dog is yellow. And I see cat is orange and white. And I see chicken is yellow. I see pig is pink. I see dog is brown and white. I see turtle is green. I see all is orange and brown. I see rabbit is orange. I see dog is brown. The rabbit has two ears and have 5 legs, and rabbit have tail, one tail, and short tail, and parrot have long tail, and parrot have two sharp ears, and I see parrot four legs. Parrot can eat a nut. Parrot can climb a tree. I see a chicken is happy, and chicken can fly, duck can walk. Chicken have a wing, two wings and two black, and duck have two wings. I say pig it have five legs and have one nose. And I see pig it two ears and cat it have a body and have long tail. And cat it have two ears and cat have two eyes. I see many hearts, many flowers, many leaves. I see pig and duck eat grain. Duck has two ears, pig has two ears, and duck has long tail, and pig eats short tail. I see pig can walk, dog can walk, cat can walk, and rabbit can jump. The pig can the pig can walk in the garden, and I see chicken can fly in the garden, and cat can say meow meow in the garden, and dog can say walk in garden and in the house. Cat can climb a tree, and cat can run, and I see pig can swim your fish, and duck can run and walk. I see rabbit can eat a carrot and can hop. Turtle can rabbit can run. I see the cat eat like a bone, and I see an owl eat fly, and cat eat like a bone. I see a turtle walk very slow and swim very fast. I see the rabbit eat jump very fast and it hop very fast. I see sparrow eat walk. I see pig eat walk. And like baby animal. And I don't help pig. I help deer. Thank you for listening. Bye for see you.